Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your NOKIA 1.3, at the first you have to go for your calendar, so we can find it in the menu or in the home screen. Then we have to click right here, click that we got it, and next we have to tap on this marker and select event. At the first we can name our event, and as you can see here we got a couple of the options. We can adjust almost everything. So for example, we can add the location or just change the color of our event on the calendar. If you set up everything, you have to click on the right upper corner on the save button, and as you can see here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!